What's going on, guys? My name is Daniel, and this is just going to be an update video with an eBay unboxing and some other stuff, so it might be all over the place, but hopefully you guys still enjoy. So let's start off the video in chronological order. So last weekend we visited my grandparents and we ended up going to Goodwill, especially because it was half off day. It was a lot less stuff in the electronics section than I'm used to, but I did buy 2 Ethernet patch cables because I have so much stuff wired up that I was actually completely out. I found a working Logitech Attack 3 USB flight stick for only $1, and an intact and good condition but missing a magazine Nerf Raider dart gun. When we got back home, I found some packages I ordered had arrived. In the first package, I found a pair of headphones, good packaging, and a thank you gift of some candy. Very cool. In the second package, I found 2 6-foot XLR cables that I ordered for $8.50, because before I only had 20-foot cables, and it was just a lot less clean and a lot more hassle to try to manage the extra 14 feet. These are a lot more manageable. Let's talk about the headphones for a moment. So these are Behringer HDS 3000 studio headphones, and they go for about $20 on Amazon or eBay. And for what you get, that's a really good deal. They have solid construction, a 6-foot single ear cable, a 90-degree angled 1/8 inch plug with a screw-on 1/4 inch adapter, decent padding, and most importantly, very crisp and clear sound. Now these aren't foldable headphones, so they're not quite as portable as some, but the focus with studio headphones is of course sound quality, and I think they definitely got that covered. I would absolutely recommend picking these up if you're needing any headphones and have $20 to spend. And so far they've been working great. A few days later, the rest of my order came in. And in this humble packaging is one of the best classic budget CPU deals, the Intel Core 2 Quad Q6600, which I picked up for only $8.50. It's a 2.4 GHz quad-core CPU, and, while quite old, it's still a great option for getting a bit more speed out of old Core 2 Duo systems, for example, and that's exactly what I plan to do with it. So I think I'll make a dedicated upgrade video on this computer because I plan to do more on it, but here's a quick CPU swap from a Core 2 Duo E6300 to a Core 2 Quad Q6600 in this Dell Precision 390. Well guys, thanks for sticking around through this video. I hope it wasn't too all over the place, but let me know if you enjoyed it and whether you like more casual content like this in the comments below. Leave a like and subscribe, and I hope to see y'all in the next video.